guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I use the FILMORA app. So I'm going into photos, clicking download, pick the photo that I want, and that's going to be used as my background for my intro video. Now I expanded the background photo for 7 seconds because that is how long I want my YouTube intro to be. So what I'm doing now is that I'm going into PIP and I'm clicking add, and I went and restored and choose a photo from restored and adjust that photo to the left hand side of the background photo, and zoom in, zoom out, fix it however I want it. You can do it however you want it as well, but this is just my preference, and I chose a transition on the left hand side of the FILMORA app. I went in subtitle next, and I chose whichever font that I prefer. I prefer Alira, and I wrote the title of my YouTube channel. So once my video starts and my intro starts, you always see the introduction of my YouTube channel name and also what my YouTube channel is about. So I adjusted the beauty house to the right hand side of my intro video, and after I've adjusted it and pick a transition, I am going to choose add again and type beauty, lifestyle and natural hair as the following up title of what my YouTube channel is about. Oh, sorry guys, I'm kind of out of breath, but yeah, so that is what I'm doing now: beauty, lifestyle and natural hair. And once I've completed typing out what my channel would be about, is about, I adjusted to the right hand side of my introduction, right, the background photo. I also chose the color black because it shows prominent on the background, the light background that I have. I chose a transition, and I am now choosing another subtitle so that I can follow up with like, comment and subscribe. I have like all my titles for my introduction in the video, right, with the process of editing the video, that is, I would just fix the duration of time that I want the beauty house to show up on the screen, beauty, lifestyle and natural hair to show up on the screen, and also like, comment and subscribe. So that is what you are seeing me do right now. I chose to have subscribe on a different tab because we're choosing the color. Once you choose one color, the entire words would be that one particular color. So I put subscribe on a different tab so I can have it red, a separate color, that is. So now I'm just playing it out so that I can see how everything looks. I'm fixing the time where the beauty house is and beauty, lifestyle and natural hair is, so that I can have my like, comment and subscribe longer at the ending of the intro video. And now I clicked OK because I liked how it looked, and I'm just replaying it just in case if I need to fix anything else. So now I'm just choosing my intro song, and I prefer to choose Rama. I chose Ginger first, but then I went back and I chose Rama Woman, the song Rama Woman. So that's what you see me do right now. And after I have chose my intro song, I want a particular part of the song to play as my intro. So what I'm going to do is click add on the right hand side, go in photos, go in downloads, click the blank screen that you are seeing there, the blank photos, and just have multiple of those photos, multiple photos of the blank screen there, so that the first part of the song could play, so that once you reach to the chorus of the song, my intro would be playing. So I'm just fixing and adjusting to that particular part of the song so that I can have my intro popping basically. So I am fixing to suit. I'm just playing it through to see if that particular part of the song, the chorus, is playing where my intro is supposed to be. And I chose the last part, the last blank photo, and decrease the duration of time so that once the chorus starts, it starts on my intro that I have edited. And that's what you saw there. So once I've fixed it, I am now saving the project. Oh, also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And let me know if you would choose to use the FILMORA app to edit your videos or your YouTube intro as a YouTuber. I am a new YouTuber, so I'm working my way through things, and I have figured out how to use the FILMORA app to a T so that I can have decent videos uploaded onto YouTube. Once I can get my hands on a better app, I would use it, but for now this works really well for me, so I use this FILMORA app. So once the video has been saved, I go into my gallery and go into camera and click trim. Once I click trim, I would trim out the blank screens that I've added in the beginning of the video so that it can take me to my introduction itself, right? So that is what you're seeing here. I'm trying to trim the beginning and the end to take out the blank screens and the watermark. Once I'm finished trimming my intro, I would go back to my FILMORA app, click add new video, and trim at the beginning of, you know, everything before the video is added within the FILMORA app. So you're gonna see that now. So guys, I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I, Deandra Ferguson, upload another video. Bye.